How to fix Instagram Reels bonus option not showing. If the bonus option on the Instagram Reels is not showing, then follow these steps. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Instagram app. To check for updates, open App Store or Play Store and search for the Instagram app. If there is an update option available, then click on the update option to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open the Instagram app. In Instagram, go to your settings and activity. In settings and activity, scroll down and look for the option Creator Tools and Controls. Now click on the option Switch Account Type by scrolling down. If you have a professional account, then you will need to switch to a personal account. Additionally, also open Settings on your device. After opening Settings, scroll down and tap on the option Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. Now go back and go to the option General. Inside General, tap on iPhone storage. Now here you will need to look for the app Instagram. Search for it and open it. Now click on the option Offload app and again tap on Offload app from the bottom. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.